Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to the Security or Password and Privacy section. This is where Vivo centralizes lock options. Once there, tap Screen Lock Type or Biometrics to see current methods. You'll be prompted to confirm your existing PIN, pattern, or password. This prevents unauthorized changes. If you use fingerprint or face, make sure the device recognizes you before proceeding. Because the phone requires proof of identity, now choose the new lock type, password, PIN, or pattern, based on the level of security you want. Passwords are strongest while patterns are faster. You'll enter the new credential and then confirm it to avoid typos, so take your time and use a memorable but hard-to-guess code. Once confirmed, link biometric options. Enable fingerprint or face unlock if you prefer convenience, but make sure they're enrolled under biometrics so they'll work with the new lock. Finish by reviewing related settings like auto lock delay and whether notifications show on the lock screen. These affect privacy and convenience. Once set, lock the phone and unlock it to confirm the new method works reliably. If something goes wrong, if you can't remember the code or biometrics fail, don't panic. Use Vivo's Find My Device or Account Recovery to reset, and contact Vivo support as a last resort to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.